Wow! Oh!
She tastes
Wow!
cola.
Diba?
Sweet, sweet cola.
Okay.
When I took
Wala bang balak bakit job para i-calculate number 1 ni Katungan? Okay, next naman natin si calculate number 2! Wow! Ang daming fans ha? Yeah. Salamat po, nakakahiya. Nabasa po kayo, punta kayo sa likod. Okay. Please, one now, our candidate number 3! Parang pinabili lang ng suka, ha? Wala bang palapangan dyan? Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next naman natin si candidate number 4!
sweet, sweet sugar cola.
Wow! Parang nangungubra lang, ha? Yeah!
She's
Alright, next naman natin si candidate number 5! Wow!
sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took it,
Alright, next naman natin si candidate number 6!
lying in the sun.
Ah!
She takes it.
Mandating ka na.
You have to be shy. Be shy. You seem to be
Model pala ito ng kilawin. Yes. Alright, next naman natin si candidate number 7! Lasing na po, lasing na. Ay, na lang ating girls, work na please. Para pangalan niya, maroon candidate number 8. Yeah! Kakain na. Yeah! Alright, balik na po kayo. Walang candidate, balik na po, balik.